Short story on a true friend. This is a story of two best friends, Rahul and Raj. In the sports day, they both take part in the running competition, but Rahul won by betraying Raj. Does Rahul realizes his mistake? Let's see what happens next.
Myself, Rahul.
Rahul is good at sports but poor in studies. Rahul becomes jealous of Raj.
Hello! I am Raj of class 4.
Raj is a sincere and hardworking boy. He is good at studies as well as sports. Raj and Rahul are best friends.
The sports day was near. Rahul was determined to win, but he was not sure whether he could score a win over Raj. He was very stressed and confused.
In this sports day, everyone is practicing for it, except me. What to do now? Okay, let's make a plan to defeat Raj. He is very good student and win always. But this time I will not let him win. I have an idea. If I would make a trap for Raj, surely he will lose the match. Ha ha ha. Let me dug a small pit on the path, so that during competition Raj will fall down and lose the match.
One day before the sports day, Rahul hit upon a plan to defeat Raj. He went to the ground before anyone had arrived there. He dug a small pit on the path where Raj was supposed to run. He covered it with leaves and went back to his classroom. When the race started, Raj was ahead of Rahul, but after some time, Raj stepped on the pit and fell down. He was seriously injured. Rahul overtook him. He was very happy as his plan had worked and he had won the first prize.
The first prize goes to Rahul. Please come on the stage.
Thank you, sir. Hooray!
His friends were proud of him, but now Rahul was not happy. He started feeling that he did not deserve the trophy as he had cheated and hurt his best friend. He could not sleep properly that night.
Everyone is happy that I won the trophy, but I feel that I do not deserve it and it should be of Raj as I have cheated him. I should not do like this to my friend. Excuse me, sir. Could I speak to you for a while?
Yes, sure. Please come in. Tell what happened?
Sir, sorry for this, but I do not deserve the trophy. I have won the race by cheating Raj. I have dug a pit in which Raj had fallen down. I have realized that I am the real culprit. I will not do this again. Please forgive me, sir. I am extremely sorry.
I am happy that you have realized your fault, Rahul. You should make friends with Raj and promise me that you will not betray him again. Besides, you must study very hard and secure good marks like your friend.
I am really sorry, my dear friend. Yesterday I have made the trap for you, so that you would lose the match. But I am really sorry for my wrong behavior. I apologize from the core of my heart. Please forgive me. Let's be friends. No problem, Rahul. I believe in you. You are a brilliant athlete, I know. Come on, let's be honest from today. Follow the path of sincerity. Listen, Raj, today is tech class test. I hope you will be your best. Try hard. Best of luck.
After the class test, the result was declared in which Rahul gave poor performance. He secured less marks.
Rahul, I am very disappointed with your marks in class test. Your performance is very poor. This is your last chance. If you do not perform well in the term end examination also, you will be punished.
I am sorry, sir. I would try my level best to work hard and I am quite sure to get good marks in term end examinations also. Please leave me this time. I will do better next time. Sorry, sir. Rahul, don't worry. This is just a class test. Start studying well and work hard from now onwards. If you do so, you will do much better in term end exams. Thank you, Raj. I will value your words. Thanks. I have to work hard to get good marks in the exam. From today itself I will devote my full attention to studies and I will work hard.
When the term end examination result was announced, everyone was surprised. Do you know why?
Well, Rahul, you did it. Congratulations for your huge success. I am very much happy for your hard work and determination. You have topped in the class. That's a great job. I know you would surely top one day. Thanks to you also who made a serious change in my life. It's the happiest day of my life. I cannot believe I stood first and you second even though I am not in studies.
I am very much happy that you scored the highest marks in your class. I was expecting this from you. Congratulations. Keep it up. Always have the spirit like this. Keep studying.
After this, Rahul and Raj remained true friends ever after. Moral of the story is, a friend in need is a friend indeed.